Hi, this Jeepers cooking range. See, it's not working. Only two burner working. See, I'm going to use star tweezer. This flat and star. Okay, going to fix it. Now it's not working. Now I will open this screwdriver here and this. I'll open this area. Then there is one down. There is flame supposed to come. There have some rust. Here also same. Here also same. Here also same. So if you call the technician, most of the technicians are busy. They will charge hefty price. You can do it by your passion. Just like some moments you can fix it.